welcome to my channel, and for those of y'all who are returning, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Grace, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIY of how to make bridesmaid proposal boxes. So right now I'm going to show you a little haul of all the pieces that I'm using to make my boxes. So first of all, I have some gold boxes. I have 7 open top ones because these are the ones I'm going to be physically asking, and I have 3 of the closed box because these are ones that I'm mailing because they do not live in town. I'm going to be using little scented smell goods. I'm going to be pouching these up so that they smell nice and fresh even after they're either mailed or delivered. I'm going to be including one of these cute little dishes. I have a couple of pink and the others are gold. I have some pink and gold dishes to put in there. I have some just fun little rings and other flowers to put as little decoration. I'm going to be including these plastic sippers that are going to say bridesmaid in gold lettering. And then I am going to be DIYing little bath bombs. So I don't have all the same bath bombs. So I'm going to be wrapping them in gold or silver tissue paper and sticking them down in there. Oops. And then I have little fillers here. I have pink and white to go down in the base of the box so I can arrange my things. And then a lot of people do some type of flower, but since eucalyptus is going to be one of the greenery pieces that I'm using in my wedding, I'm doing a little sprig of eucalyptus down in the box as well. Since I have so many bridesmaids, one of the ways that I am saving money is by taking simple plain bath bombs and giving them a little bit of a makeover in order to make them silver so that they would match my box. So what I did is I cut my silver tissue paper into smaller sections because the big was too big for my little bath bomb. And then I just start it in the corner and I wrap it. There we go. And now I have a fun bath bomb for my box. So another way that we thrifted is we got a large sprig of eucalyptus and cut it up so that our boxes would have greenery in them. And they were only like 17 cents a piece. For our cups, in order to personalize them, we literally grabbed these little DIY vinyl stickers. We put them on and they become these super cute bridesmaid sippers.
On the track.
So the last detail we put then is we personalized our dishes and made them monogram by using our Cricut and cutting out little gold initials so that everyone has a personalized dish. So this is the finishing touches in my box. I have my cup, my little rings, my bath bomb, my dish, my plant, and then I secured their little name cards on there with these gold clothespins. And here is my DIY bridesmaid proposal box. So I just finished my maid of honors for my 2 sweet sisters, and I'm asking them in the morning. I'm so excited. Guys, these turned out cuter than I ever could have imagined. And better yet, we spent less than $20 per box. So I hope that these bridesmaid box proposals have been helpful to any brides out there or anyone else who just wants to do a nice happy for their friends. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you are enjoying my journey to becoming Mrs. Smith, and I'll see you guys next time.